Now, having looked at the external parts, we can now look at one of the new details, which is this squared chamber here. You see the lid is squared, and if I open here, you see that the volume enclosed in the reflectors here is quite large. That means that we can put in both hands to operate and move the graphite parts, take in and take out samples. You see also here that the piston, the electrode, moves from below, moves up to make contact with the upper electrode. This is because we have the servo motor down below here that exerts the force on the electrodes to make contact. You can also see here that the thermocouple, which we use to measure die temperature, is fixed to the lower reflector, meaning that it follows in this movement and does not exert an extra spring force on the die, which is quite good to avoid. You can also see that in this case we have very strange design of the upper punch and the upper spacer, and this is for the degassing function, which I will come back to later. When I close the lid here, you see that we have a large viewing window through a quartz glass here, which is not obstructed by any pyrometer, because here on the side we have placed a pyrometer that is looking through its own window to focus on the graphite die in there. We also have here a little LED light that I can lift up and lit on the graphite to help the focusing. Now, of course, in these strong lights for filming now, you don't see any difference when I lit on and off here the light, but I can tell you it's quite impressive when you have a dark chamber that you have this extra light for focusing.